In this short video, we're going to show you how to set up staged injection with a Sport ECU on a 4-cylinder engine using 8 injectors. We first go to the fuel tab menu, and then we go to Fuel Injection General, and we enable staged injection. In this instance, we're going to configure it on a motorcycle engine, so they come with 8 280cc injectors factory. So we'll select the closest thing we have in our drop-down menu. That'll be fine. And we're going to do 2 injectors per output. We come to our staged injection tab. We leave it at auto transition. Auto transition simply is the ability for the ECU to change from primary to secondary when the injector duty is around 85%. So we will select the same size injector here, and it's also 2 injectors per output. So that tells the ECU about the injector fuel calculation. So it will use the VE table and all of the calculations, and it will use these values to determine how much fuel should go in the engine. Now we need to set up the configuration of the outputs to show the ECU what it's controlling. So normally your injector outputs look like this. It just says injector output, injector output, injector output. But the way you want to wire it up is by injector output 1 is going to be primary injector 1. And that will be wired to cylinders 1 and 4 in this application. The firing order is 1, 2, 4, 3. So we'll go to cylinders 1 and 4. Click OK. This will be primary injector 2. And that gets wired to cylinders 2 and 3. Okay. Here we'll select secondary injector 1. And that will get wired to the secondary injectors, or the upper injectors that go to cylinders 1 and 4. And then here we'll select primary 2. I'm sorry, secondary 2, excuse me. And that will go to your upper or secondary injectors 2 and 3. And that's it. That's how you set up the MaxxECU for 4-cylinder 8 injectors on in this example, a 4-cylinder motorcycle engine.